Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and in this video we are covering how to convert a user mailbox into a shared mailbox. In the last video we have covered how to create a brand new shared mailbox, but in this time we are going to convert an existing user mailbox to a shared mailbox. So suppose there is one user who wants that the mailbox should be available for other persons to use. In that case, we can convert that mailbox into a shared mailbox. So let's see how to create a shared mailbox from an existing account. So first of all, let's go to our Exchange Admin Center. Okay, going to Exchange Admin Center is pretty much easy. From Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Exchange, and then it will open up. Okay, like this. Let me show you this one, exchange, or else if exchange is not showing up, click on show all, click on exchange. So this will open up, and then I will go mailboxes and select the required user or any user according to your choice. Open the user, just click on this shared mailbox, convert to shared mailbox, click on this and confirm. So once you confirm, this user will be converted to a shared mailbox. And opening the shared mailbox is pretty much easy. We have already seen that in the last video, but let me show you once again. Okay, let's open this. Let's give the permissions to any user. Let's go to delegation, send as, and it is always important that you add the user to send as and full access, both of the permissions, so that the user could access it. If one of the permission is missing, then the user won't be able to access the account. Okay, and delegation user is given access, send as, and full control both. Okay, we'll go back, general, we'll copy the address. Okay, now you can see that the type is user mailbox, but if I refresh it and check it once again, so the type should be changed now from user mailbox to shared mailbox. So let's quickly have a look. Okay, so you can see that honey, this user, now this type of the mailbox has been changed from user mailbox to a shared mailbox. Okay, so we were accessing the user mailbox. I have this account opened up already. This is my account to which I have given access to. Okay, I'll go to this option here. I'll go to add another mailbox or open another mailbox. I'll simply paste the email address, or I can just search as well. And I click on open. Okay, so when I click on open, the user mailbox should open here. And there is one important thing, that nothing will be changed. Everything will remain same, calendar, emails, everything will be changed. It's just that this user, this Skelly user now have access to Honey account. Okay, and how you can verify it, you can see on the top of it, it says Honey at 5062 on Microsoft.com. This is the account, and I'm accessing through Skelly. Okay, so this is how you convert an existing mailbox, okay, to a shared mailbox, and how to access the shared mailbox. So that's it for today's video. Like I always say, if you have any doubts, leave me the doubts in the comment, and I'm happy to answer them. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.